Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Fidelity credit card account. If you'd like to gain access to your Fidelity credit card account with a computer or mobile devices online, then here's how to do it. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address field at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in www.fidelityrewards.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Fidelity, which looks like this. Click on the Login to My Account button in order to end up in the login area. Now, right where it says login, enter your personal ID number. In case you don't remember it, you can click on this Forgot Your Personal ID link and follow the instructions. After you're done typing in your credential, click the Continue button. On the next page, go ahead and answer the ID Shield question, which will be asked to you every time you log into your account. Make sure to answer the question correct. And if you want the system to remember you on this computer, click on this box where it says Remember this computer. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave this box unchecked before continuing. In case you've forgotten your answer to the security question, you can click on this answer link right beneath the next button and follow the answering prompts. Finally, after you're ready to log in, you can click on this next button, and that is how you should be able to log into your Fidelity credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.